What's going on? In today's video, I'm going to be going over every single way to phase or exploit into someone's box. One of the most important things in the current fighting meta is finishing fights fast. The main problem is that anyone decent can make a bunch of boxes to prolong the fight. The only move to counter this is by exploiting into someone's box. Momentum exploiting into someone's box is the fastest and most meta way to end a fight quickly. But don't take my word for it, listen to what Aussie had to say.
Another player's in here as well. There's another player. There it is. I keep saying it. If you want to be able to drop high elim games or just get better at W King, the one mechanic you need to practice is the momentum phase in. No ramp, no builds, just perfect timing on the wall smack and slide into the box. It just turns so many of these fights that would drag out for minutes into just instant kills. Polarized, Reet, Cold, Peterbot, they all do it so efficiently.
Being able to come up to someone's wall and go straight through is an extremely important skill for fighting in W King. It's extremely hard to practice. Before today, you'd have to find a friend that could sit holding a wall all day long, or just hope that once you got in game, you could practice on some real people. But now, with this map, you can practice infinitely on your own. Alright, so now that I'm in the map, the best way to practice is to go here, and then there's just a box that infinitely holds all the walls, so you can practice from any angle, exploiting in and out of boxes. This eliminates the need to have someone hold a wall for you, and enables you to practice infinitely without having to bother someone. It's not just momentum exploits you can practice, you can also do all other sorts of exploits to practice. Once you're done with this part of the map, then you can move on to other parts. In this section, you can practice infinitely phasing through floors. And in this one, you can practice infinitely going through walls. But now, without further ado, let me show every possible way to exploit into a box. The last important piece to the puzzle is assuring you can do it in-game. While the timing you learn in creative is basically the same as in-game, there are sometimes micro adjustments you need to make for your in-game ping and delay. But the more important thing is that the guns are different. You need to learn how to use the new burst SMG, sniper, and the new AR for this season. Here, I'll just be showing some clips I got in-game using the phase techniques I showed earlier.
It sounds better than like his old videos.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video both informative and entertaining. Have a nice day. No long outros. Bye.